Well, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on your Android phone. So this is going to be located under the Google Play Store, so you can see it's right here on my phone. But you might have to swipe up from the bottom and just locate it. You can type in store right here. This is going to be the area where you download all your apps. Google Play Store. Open this up. Then go to search on the bottom. And then we can just turn on I have to turn off airplane mode, and then I'll connect to the internet. So I'm going to try one more time, and then we just want to search for WhatsApp. WhatsApp right here, and we can see it listed right here. Just go to it, install it. You can uninstall it or install it on your other devices down here too. So here's WhatsApp. We can open this up, and you can see I'm like signed in and stuff under here, and I already have a number on here. So you can swipe up, and you can find it on your phone. It should be under the most recent ones on the bottom. We can hold down on here, and we can drag it to our home screen now. Or we can bring it down here under messages, where the messenger and messages is. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.